Today, I'd like to show you how to make a cowrie shell bracelet using old fishing line and a right-handed square twisting knot. Hi, my name is Angela and I am off-grid artist. Welcome aboard. Start with 4 lengths that are about 3 times longer than you want your bracelet to be. Fold them in half and find the 2 ends, then find the middle loop and make a cow's hitch through the shell. Do this with all 4 lengths with 2 on each side. A cow's hitch is very simple. Pass the loop through the hole that you want it to go and then put the 2 ends back through that loop and pull them tight. To do a right-handed square twisting knot, what you have to do is keep the 2 center threads in the center. Take the 2 outside threads and make a loop with each one. The tails will go one under and one over the 2 center threads. Then insert these tails into the loops on the other side and gently pull them tight. Keep repeating this process and always the left to go under and the right to go over the center threads. Using tape to hold your work helps, and it can get a bit tricky after a few knots as it will want to turn, but always keep a track of which thread is on the right. Keeping this correct will ensure you get a nice twist. Trust the process. Here's the process all sped up. You can see the twist emerging. Once you've done both sides to the length you want, you can make a knot and it's all ready to wear. Here it is finished. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Join me next time for a knotted pearl bracelet. Stay to the end and I'll show you the paradise we sailed to. So I've been making this video in paradise. Let me show you the colour of the water, the mountains. My goodness. It's nearly low tide and we're about to go snorkeling at the reef, which is just near the beach. You can see that little darkness patch. I'll show you what it looks like from underwater. Ooh, wind's blowing a bit. Check it out. Far out, it's gorgeous. Doing a load of washing first. Here's some of the footage that I captured with my GoPro. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting, everyone.